Hey, what's going on? It's Eric TechStuffs, and we're back with something of mine. Now, this is a very small break in between Mr. Steve's radios that he has coming to me. He had that DAC Mark 9 video, two parts, and that radio's in pretty good shape. But he already told me, don't worry, I have another radio for you to take a look at. So that's coming down the pike as soon as I get this one back to him, meet up and get the other one. So I have a Sinadder Linear 5 on the bench right now, and I actually sold off my Sinadder Linear 3 and paid $4 more to get this one. Pretty much a trade with just $4 more. So I went ahead and did that. Of course, the person that had this one was like, hey man, this does have a little bit of issues. I'm like, well, mine did too at the time. These are older units here, but they are beautiful. I love using analog meters for everything if possible. I do have my CMU 200 over there, and it does have Sinadder measurement and everything, but manipulate to be able to do two functions at once, you got to buy this and that. I'm just going to keep it easy and simple and keep it with the analog meter. So I sold that off in a trade plus $4 to get this one, and he said he had a couple of issues with it, so probably we're gonna have to deal with caps. But we're gonna go ahead and just power this up real quick and take a look. And ooh, we have a little bit of hum and a buzz on this. Oh boy. Now I did notice when this was sold to me, it does have an XLR plug, which I've taken a little bit apart. Comes with actually decent heavy metal on this, and then finally on the other side it does have the pigtails originally, so we're probably going to delete out the XLR plug because it just causing some issues to me for all of this stuff. So I don't need an XLR plug, so this was used in a different scenario, but for Sinadder measurements I just need the pigtails on here, lightweight cable. So we're going to check the cable too, make sure there's no bends, twists, or busts in it. And but yeah, we're pretty much going to take this XLR out and wire this back in properly. Do have the manual and everything. Of course, back then every manual pretty much had the service manual right on the back side, so schematics, everything's inside, how to align it, the whole thing. But yeah, if we mess around with this, yeah, we can see we have some issues we need to deal with. So we can slap it around and get somewhat, you know. But yeah, this isn't the way it should be. So we're going to go ahead and take care of this, and we'll see if we get some videos out before Mr. Steve's next surprise radio out there, the DAC 9. So I'll go ahead and post this, but yeah, this will be a part 1, but there will be a part 2, as with all my other ones, since I didn't have a Sinadder anymore to take care of the other part 1 videos that are floating out there. So Eric TechStuffs with the new bench Sinadder Linear 5 from Helper Technologies Incorporated. Pretty cool, but yeah, we got to do some work on it, and definitely here where it's a little scratchy. So we'll be back, another video. So this is part 1 of 2, maybe 3, who knows. Please leave your comments down below if you have one of these Sinadder meters. A lot of good products out of Helper Technologies, and yeah, they're now starting to get a little bit more expensive than they used to be. But a couple mods I've seen out there and stuff like that too. So we'll see. We'll see you on the next one.